Why LML Repair Shop is your trusted Samsung Authorized Repair Provider. Your Samsung Galaxy is more than a phone, it's your connection to the world. But when it's damaged, who do you trust to bring it back to life? At LML Repair Shop, we're proud to be a Samsung Authorized Repair Provider. That means you can trust us to deliver expert care with genuine Samsung parts, tools, and certified technicians. Here's why choosing a Samsung Authorized Repair Provider like LML makes all the difference. We use authentic Samsung parts for every repair, ensuring your device runs like new. Our technicians are Samsung certified, trained to handle your device with precision and care. And your repairs are backed by Samsung's warranty, giving you peace of mind. Whether it's a cracked screen, a weak battery, or a stubborn charging port, our team delivers fast, reliable, and affordable solutions, all without compromising quality. We're not just a repair shop, we're your trusted partner in keeping your devices running perfectly. At LML, your satisfaction is our priority. So why settle for less? Trust the experts at LML Repair Shop, your local Samsung Authorized Repair Provider. Book your repair today or stop by our shop and experience the difference. Genuine parts, certified care, guaranteed results. LML Repair Shop, keeping your Galaxy shining brighter than ever.